Hello my lovers, I'm Farmer Giles and I'm down here in Father's cowshed working on behalf of toysforcars.co.uk. Today I'm going to show you how to fit a set of snow chains to a vehicle. The vehicle we're fitting them to is a Mercedes A-Class, which is a front wheel drive, so we're going to fit the snow chains on the front. Now this is our best selling range of snow chains. They come with spare links, gloves and a kneeling pad. Take the chains out of the bag and lay them on the floor so there's no tangles. Pass one end of the chain around the back end of the tyre, like so. Take the two ends of the cable, put them over the tyre and connect, like so. Then take the red hook and attach that to the opposing chain, like so. Push the chains over the tyre so that the connecting red cable on the back is on the back end of the tyre. Then take the tensioning chain and pass it through the tensioning mechanism, like so. Give a good pull on the chain to take up the tension in the actual chains. Take the red plastic hook and hook that onto the chain. Pull tight on the tensioning chain to take up any slack. That is the snow chain fitted. Now to remove the chains, it's the reverse of everything we've just done. Just disconnect it, take the red hook out, release the tensioning mechanism, like so. Disconnect the red hook from the opposing chain and disconnect the cable from the top of the tyre. The chains will fall to the ground, and that is how you fit a set of snow chains to a vehicle. I'm Farmer Giles, I'll see you on the next video.